stay. Even the pregnant kunes, they have a little separate area that's not as fun as the other ones, but keeps them protected when they go to have their babies. So we're just feeding them this morning. That one likes to be pet. This one, not as much. That big old belly. She's got a big old warm belly. Now, let's feed the other kunes. Some of the chickens are out here with the big pigs, picking up some of their scraps. Hey, pretty boy. There's a few more that was out here. Let's see where they went to. Oh, we hear one, right? It's hard to spot the pigs. They blend right in, but they're there. Hey, piggies, coming to feed you next. Morning, guys. You guys sharing your territory with the... Hey, Blondie. I know, I don't have breakfast. You guys are going to get real hungry. Woo. Smells like maple bacon out here. There's the chickens. And then now I'm being... Hi! I know. Breakfast time. Alright, let me go feed the other guys, and I'll be right in to feed you guys in your normal spots. Yes, hello. Okay, see you down the other way. Alright, feeding the other kunes in the springtime muckety mucks. Come on. Wade our through the mud. Muckety mucks. Some. Here. Ready? All right, it's breakfast time here on the farm on this glorious March day. Nice and sunny. Excuse me, guys. Oh, I gotta cook you. Just kidding. Okay, that's good. Big Mama's sunning herself. Oh, come here, Big Mama. Did I disturb your little nap? Did I disturb your nap? What's going on? You liking that sunshine? Big Mama. Big Mama? Big Mama? Ah, you're not? Okay. I'm gonna take a quick walk. It's gonna be so nice today and it's supposed to rain later, so those are our maple syrup buckets. We've got the dogs. Take a walk in the woods because it's really nice out today. So happy March! There's some culprits in the barn stealing the feed. Oh, it's my poor starving little bees.